Okay, that I'm choosing SQL injection in Burp Suite. First lab is in post figure. There are lot of testing lab is there. I'm going to do sample in post figure only because it is safety. Because if we are going to select any random URL or random site, it is very dangerous. Uh, Not without permission, without any legal permission, we can't use that. We can use testing lab. There are a lot of testing lab, DVMA and postfigure. There is lot and lot. Go and test it yourself by using testing labs. So first is SQL injection vulnerability, allowing login bypass. First we are going to bypass the login page. Mm, I think I have some net issues. Okay. Okay, I already opened the URL side by side. We will show the page. Okay, okay. My net is somewhat slow, so it's taking some time. Okay, first we have to go and select proxy, then intercept. The intercept is used to intercept from the request from the browser. Then here, by clicking on intercept on, it will started gathering requests from the browser which we are connected from the proxy. So after that, I will refresh my page. Make sure your Foxy proxy Bobsuit is activated. Wait a second, I'm having net issues. Let me check it first. Okay. Uh, Sorry for that. I have some network issue. I don't know. It is whether it's network issue or proxy server issue. Mm, so I'm going to without proxy we can use Burp. So let me tell that also. First, open your browser in the Burp. So then here you can open any URL or whatever testing lab we can use it here. So வாக் வாக்ல சரியா அந்த ஐடி. Wait a second, let me check once. Sorry for that. I has still I has network issues. Within 5 minutes we will rectify that. Okay. Till that I will explain. about burps with. Okay, proxy will intercept the request from the URL, and it will use to gather whatever up-to-date information and request whatever actions which are done in our browser we can see in by using intercept. I don't know what is the issue. Our team, everyone getting the same network issue here, so sorry for that, the technical issue. Still it's loading. Okay. 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 This is the sample web page. Here it can see the my account home. So I don't know what is the username, what is the password. Without the registration, uh, without the access, we need to take username work which is already logged in. And I okay. This is from the request from the browser, which is a server and client. Again, I will refresh it. Okay, it's still loading. By right click, I send this request to the repeater. Then go and check the repeater. Repeater has every details, backend details here. So this is the HTTP link, then the host and the cookies details, and whatever it will show. Now we don't know the username and the password. So for that, wait a second. It's still loading the request. It's not properly it's showing because it's still loading. Okay. Okay, sorry for that. It's still loading. In this case, I will explain that I will get the XML code, then send to response. Okay, this is the HTML code. This code will say that full details, what are the login, what are the classes, what are the Um, okay. What are the details included in that page? It will show. Uh, okay. For getting information from the user, uh, SQL injection, SQL malicious code would be like union select username. You don't know the username? Username from users or users. Okay. By giving this malicious code, we will get the user who all are logged in. The username we will get that. This union will tell the who all are in the group. This is the user. Is the we mention like the table name. Who all are in the table can select the username from the table. This is the first query to use to get the username from the login site. Then second one, union select the password from the users where user name admin. Okay, so if uh, what the username you get, that username you have to give because you need to know the password of that user. Why give it this malicious code? It will give the password of the admin user. After that, we can get the username and the username user's password. Go and give a try. Go and give the username here and password here. I don't know the password because here the practice log will display the password simultaneously random password. So I can't give the password. Maybe the user is admin or user or text whatever can get the malicious code by giving this. This code is not proper, so only I'm stuck because the site is not loaded properly. So Once again, sorry for that. I'm getting network issues. So I here still loading. Okay, I will try here itself. It's, maybe it will work. Okay, the reception is not working. Okay, I will tell this is another one method. Here we can see the HTTP link, like, right? So here we can give a malicious code like this is the same meaning for already I told. Mm, okay, it's fine. Okay, it's okay. Already I explained about the union select from the users. It's the same meaning. It is somewhat different. It's one of the method to bypass the uh, login page. So after giving this malicious code, get enter. Mm, it's not working. By giving this command, uh, giving, yeah, so make clarify that uh, some vulnerabilities. Okay, if before that I gave command, it goes to the browser. By giving this command, it will show error. Make sure that this side will have the vulnerabilities. After after that, there is a lot of commands is there by checking the uh, here there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns is there. So by checking the columns detail, backend details, we can gather by the malicious code. Uh, by giving the command, we can automatically go into the site without giving username, without giving password. We can log into the site. Mm. By getting this page request, we can bypass the user details. So if the lab is not working, so I am telling with the scenario. If I am going to log in one shopping website, so I will give the username, password, mail ID, WhatsApp, like phone number, whatever in shopping site, I will give. So by uh, analyzing this site, I will get the password, username, personal detail like number, email ID, email password, whatever I will get it. But attacker will get it. Okay. This is the SQL injection cheat sheet. This cheat sheet will useful to uh, getting deep into the analysis. So first is string concatenation, substring commands. This is a common commands used in SQL injection. Then this is the main thing the hacker, all are ethical hacker or hackers will use this database version. So if anyone going to try to attack a page or attack a site, they want to know which version they used for database, which version they used, they want to know it. So in Oracle, they use this command, this malicious command to know which version or like Oracle, which version they will find it. For Microsoft, select version for SQL, MySQL, they will do. Then the contents. Uh, Developers will use the version and contents based on the data. So by using these commands, we can know the wait, we can know the contents of the site. So here I will explain select star from all table columns. So the star we can mention the table name or users or table name like staff students likewise etc. And then all table columns like we don't know the table column, so the attacker will guide the guided by this malicious can you display all table columns. So where table name, then the table name will display here and so let's start from information schema tables. This schema is useful to gather every information from the tables. This schema is very important schema which are used in every information gathering or information, detailed information about the table or the columns, everything we can gather from this. So